guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 73, which is set matrix zeros. This is a medium level Leetcode problem and it has been asked in many interviews. Suppose you are given an m into n integer matrix. If an element is 0, set its entire row and column to zeros. You must do it in place. So for example, this is our matrix, input matrix. So this element is 0. We need to set its entire row and entire column to 0. In example 2, we have this matrix. There are two zeros here. One is at here, so we need to set this column and this row to 0. And another is at this place. So this r- row and this column should be set to 0. So I hope you understand the problem. Let's discuss about the solution. So suppose uh, let's iterate over the elements of the matrix, and whenever we encounter any zero we will note down the row and column corresponding to that zero number, and we will store that row and column into our sets for row set and column set. So for example, let's have our row set like this, column set will be like this. Okay, let's have our row number of rows, which is length of matrix, and number of columns will be like this. So if we iterate over the matrix like this for seen range of columns, so if we encounter any zero, and what we are going to basically add the store the row number and column number like this. So we have the required row numbers and column numbers. So let's do one thing. Let's iterate over the row numbers. Okay. And for C in range columns. Now we should set the elements to 0 like this. Similarly, we will iterate over the columns and for rows like this. And we will set it the matrix elements to 0. Okay. Now I think we should do it in place. So let's run the code. So all the test cases are passed, as you can see over here, right? So let's submit the code. Submission is successful or code is accepted. And the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n, where n is the total number of elements in the matrix. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.